Are you looking for the best whiteboards in your budget? In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 best whiteboards 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you need more information about these products and their latest prices, please check out the description section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. 72x 40-inch FX Mobile Large Whiteboard flips over for twice the writing surface area. You'll have more than enough space for comprehensive presentations and idea sessions. Simply press the brake at the bottom of the unit to turn and secure the board, which consists of painted magnetic steel that resists streaking. The aluminum edging looks modern and feels sturdy. The whiteboard is mobile and comes with 4 casters and 2 locking brakes. There are a few considerations to keep in mind. At 39 pounds, this whiteboard is a tad bulkier than the other boards on this list. And since it is double-sided and mobile, it also requires extra assembly time. The board is also more expensive than most of the other ones on this list, but its high quality could outweigh these considerations and make it the perfect fit for your office. Number 4. This glass board will bring a modern and stylish touch to your office. Glass is a great material for a whiteboard because it is completely non-porous, which means that it resists the streaking that may occur on melamine or porcelain boards. It is smooth to write on and easy to erase. The product has 5 different sizes ranging from 17.75 x 23.62 inches to 39.5 x 59 inches, so you can select a board that fits inside your office. Choose from clear, frosted, and opaque options. Keep in mind that the clear and frosted options are more reflective, and thus, may be more difficult to read from afar. That said, they work perfectly for small to medium-sized conference rooms where the average viewer isn't extremely far from the board. The whiteboard is very easy to hang and comes with metal mounts and wall anchors, in addition to a full-size template. Although the board is sturdy, you can rest easy knowing that it has a lifetime guarantee. Number 3. Its little additions make the MaxTech Mobile DryErase board a useful and worthy investment in your office. The unit sports a rounded base and 5 lockable wheels. Its unique design renders it portable, stable, and safe. You can easily move it around without straining yourself. And if you're tall, you can adjust the height to up to 78.5 inches. The whiteboard also includes a mountable flip chart paper pad, a bonus feature for your presentations and brainstorming sessions. The board itself measures 40 x 28 inches, which is ample room for jotting down notes. The surface is also magnetic, so you can pin flyers and memos to it. Number 2. If you need a sturdy, spacious whiteboard, look no further than the Invisalign Magnetic DryErase board. At an affordable price point, the board is durable, compact, and comes with extra accessories: a whiteboard pen, pen tray, eraser, and 3 magnets. It measures 24 x 36 inches, which is roomy enough for communicating information at meetings or brainstorming ideas. As for the construction, the board is scratch-resistant and magnetic, and its slim profile is lightweight but sturdy. It also comes with an easy-to-use mounting kit that requires no extra hardware. Invisalign offers a lifetime replacement guarantee for a free replacement with expedited shipping. Number 1. A mini whiteboard isn't merely a classroom tool for solving math problems. It works excellently for jotting down reminders, tasks, and ideas at your work desk. Because you can use it repeatedly, you won't have stacks of papers lying around, which saves your space and the environment. This mini whiteboard from U Brands comes in 2 sizes: 8.5 x 11 inches and 11 x 14 inches. The glossy painted steel surface cleans easily and resists staining. Since the board is magnetic, it also doubles as a personal bulletin. You can hang it easily with the Velcro mounting strips included. As a bonus, the board also comes with a cork magnet and a razor capped marker. You will need to buy additional accessories like pen clips and extra markers separately. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to like, comments, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hope to see you guys in the next video.